Mina psycho arigato. Kawaii. Kawaii.
Hello and welcome to March favorites. Anyways, we should just stop before this video turns 55 seconds long. No, 55 minutes long.
First, am I gonna start or something?
You start.
Roxy should
Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4.
The first one is favorite actor, and this time we have Norman Reedus from The Walking Dead.
Dun, dun, dun.
Yeah.
And he's awesome.
He's like a badass.
Okay, and our favorite celebrity, her name is Ellen, and it's not Ellen Page this time, it's Ellen DeGeneres. Because she's just hilarious.
She's the most awesome woman that I know, you know? I'd love to go to her show sometime and get like an iPhone. Next up is favorite singer, and we have Shakira.
Hips don't la.
Because, you know, she has a new album out that we haven't heard yet.
No, but we have heard Can't remember to forget you. Next up is favorite movie, and recently we saw Harry Potter and The Philosopher's Stone.
Harry Potter is awesome.
Yeah.
Favorite song, and we have Dollhouse by Melanie Martinez.
And many of you know her through, I think it's the British, The Voice.
The Voice, yes.
Yeah, British version of The Voice.
My...
Good, you learned. And next is Moment. It's when we went shopping for our big project.
Oh, you're gonna get excited for that one.
We have so many things planned, but we haven't started yet because...
Hint, 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 hint.
Yeah, hint, 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 hint.
That was pretty awesome because we got milkshakes and...
My milkshake brings to the boss, yeah, damn right, it's better than yours.
Next up is favorite items. Mine right now, I just had to pick one, so it's gonna be the necklace.
And mine is, since I just got the necklace, I'm not sure if it's my favorite item I've used. But anyways, it's my Toddy's mug. I love it so much.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
And next is New In, and you guys can guess. It's I've started reading a new book of John Green. He is such an awesome author.
My favorite in, again, New In, is my new phone. It's an Xperia set.
And next up is favorite YouTubers. So lately we have been kinda obsessed with PewDiePie.
I've always been obsessed with him, but...
Yeah, me too, but I've never like watched 50 videos of him in a row.
Yeah. Brofist.
Well,
The last is our favorite inspiration of the month, and it's
a video. We will put a link down below. Down here, bitches.
because you have to see it, just understand it.
So you guys should totally check it out because you'll understand. I guess that's it for now, guys.
And for next time we probably will do something stupid, like always.
Bye bye.
Say hello, bitches.